What's going on, everybody? Back at it again. Figured today I'll give you my review on a little garden pick. I picked this up and I'm using it around the garden a little bit, so I figured I'd do a little video on it. I'll show you how I'm using it to clear out some of the vegetables in the garden. Today I have peas, and then I also have an area next to the garden where I used to have a pool, and show you how I get rid of some of these woody weeds with it. So this garden pick's kind of going to be overkill for these peas. And then I'm going to get a chance to throw this in the compost pile. So this guy here, I can pull and it doesn't want to budge. Take this little garden pick. Booyah! Here's another one. And even on something like this clump of grass, really helps to get underneath and loosen those roots up. Wow. So, as you can see, this is my new favorite little toy. Well, so as you've seen, it made short work of the peas, and it did a great job with the woody plants. I'm going to go ahead and show you the pick and go over the dimensions and where I got it from. But let me know if anybody else out there has used this garden pick or a garden pick like this before, and how you like it in the comments down below. So the pick is 16 inches long, 9 inches wide, 3 1/4 of this blade, and 3 1/2 inches on this blade. I picked it up at Harbor Freight and it was $14.99. I hope everybody enjoyed watching. Let me know what you think. Subscribe down below, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.